Welcome to Digital Grads, the first stop for entry-level job hunters looking to start a career in the tech industry. In these videos, we'll be introducing you to our various training courses that are designed to help you prepare for your next step in life and make confident career decisions. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, we're looking at the backbone of any modern tech business. Social media marketing. Social media is the defining achievement of the 21st century, and as such, a lot of what makes up our lives are managed through it, not the least of which being marketing, as social media marketing has overtaken radio, print, and movie marketing as a form of advertising. And this course will teach you the ins and outs of what it is and how you can utilize it. This course consists of 3 modules and quizzes placed throughout. Of course, with social media playing a big part in modern life, there's a lot to learn, but this course will help you absorb it all, like a sheet of plenty. The first module consists of lessons on the origins of social media, from the most primitive of forms, aka classmates, to the modern day, looking into the definition of social media marketing, the benefits of social media marketing, the comparisons between the 4 most popular types of social media platforms, the different types of marketing between social media campaigns, and developing communication and key messages with your audience. The second module goes into depth on how to make social media marketing campaigns on Twitter, which consists of starting up a Twitter account, deconstructing Twitter, though not literally, I think doing that would drive any person insane, a step-by-step guide to creating your campaign on Twitter, using the analytics to measure your campaign's effects and its success. And the third module teaches you the same, which includes understanding Facebook pages for your business, editing them, defining the objective of your Facebook marketing campaigns, creating the campaign, building a fan base, and using Facebook analytics. The final lesson goes into using Google Analytics. There are a lot of analytics in this course, as you can see, to track down your own activity on social media sites and using them to determine which one is the best to start a campaign on. As per usual on Digital Grads, there are quizzes throughout the course to test you on what you've just learned, and your best score of 3 potential attempts will be shown on your profile. Of course, social media marketing is not the only form of marketing in this modern age, and they're only useful when you have something to market. And for that, you need to be a part of a business. And to start your journey towards that, visit academy.digitalgrads on Google to find out more.